Okay, so I forgot to tell you what slimes I had. So first up we have Blueberry Cow. It smells like blueberries. I love it. Froggy Cubes. I love this because it's like cute. So Lavender Cow. Butterfly Kisses. ASMR. Party on Venus. Cherry Bomb. You can't really see the white stuff on top, so. This one is interesting. Honey Cube Squish. Magic Boba. Tell me what I should do. By the way, it also comes with this cute little squishy. 2 stickers and a sticky and a non-sticky activator thing. I used it already for some slimes for my other slimes, so. But not for these ones, because I haven't even used one.